press yes if this pops up. It'll come up with this. It's then going to load. And it'll pop up with this. Now you can go ahead and you can open your Fortnite. So I'll be back with you guys once Fortnite is open. Alright, now that you're in game, you're going to enable the pre-fire macro first. If you want, you can set the keybind to a different one. By default, it's mouse 4. Then you can mess with your pre-fire if you'd like. This selects a weapon before firing. The post-fire is what happens after. I've got to set a wall and pull out my pump shotgun. Or whatever shotgun I've got. Then you can mess with your threshold, your delay. That's how long it'll take to shoot after the wall's disappeared. Then moving on to your keybinds, you're going to set your keybinds. I've already done that. I'll give you guys a second to do that. It's pretty simple. Now you can move on to the scripts. Currently recording this, there's nothing here. But when you're watching, there might be. Moving on, you can go to advanced. Set your horizontal radius, your vertical radius. I recommend you have it similar to mine. What I'm going to do is I'm going to place a wall first. Place it here, away from the AI. Then you're going to click here, the green colour. You're going to go to the very corner of the colour, like here. Click, damage it, and do the same for the orange colour. There we go. And if you want, you can turn on draw radius, just shows the little blue box. And you can also go to the side, for example, so once they pop out on him. That's basically how the script works. It's pretty basic, easy to understand. Thanks for watching.